Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Home app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just go down, click on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click on additional settings. Then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here. So you come here to shortcut car touchdown, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's means shortcut car touchdown enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I give it. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.